I'm going to show you how to check your brake fluid in your 1.8 liter 4-cylinder Toyota engine. They put these in the Chevy Prizms, Toyota Corollas, Toyota Matrix, and so on. Open your hood and you're looking at the engine and you want to navigate over to here. This reservoir right there, off the tip of my finger. This is your brake fluid reservoir, okay? This takes DOT3 fluid. So on the side of the reservoir, you have a max line and a min line. So you can give it a little wiggle. You don't want to go too hard, but you can wiggle it a little bit and wipe it off with a rag if you need to. But you want to ideally be sitting between the two marks. So if you need to add fluid, you just pop the top off. And you can see that I'm way full because I just did a brake job and I compressed my calipers so it pushed fluid back up in my reservoir. So if you're low, go ahead and add it, DOT3. If you're like me and you have too much, what you can do is you can get a turkey baster and you can suck out fluid until you're at the max line or right below, and you should be good to go. When you're done, make sure you get this cap all the way on. You'll feel it. Just double check that everything's on there completely. Hope that helps. Leave a comment, leave a like, leave any questions, and I will try to answer them. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.